Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to Global Happiness Today TV. And some fortnight ago, Professor Obiozo, the first fraction President General of Ohaneze Ndigbo, had charged the Southeastern government outfit that they should create it on or before the 31st of December 2021 to combat the high level of insecurity going on in Southeast. Fast forward, the indigenous people of Biafra, via their spokesperson, Ipob, had warned that should EbubeAgu be relaunched, that they will fight it out, that if anything happens in Southeast that will require their own blood, going down as in blood of the Southeasterners, that they should hold the Southeastern governors responsible because they will resist the relaunch of EbubeAgu. And according to Ipob, is of the opinion that EbubeAgu is actually fighting against them or submitting their names and all that to the security outfit, the Nigerian security outfit. Fast forward, as we speak, you're seeing for yourself. You're seeing the relaunch of EbubeAgu in Ebonyi State. You heard me. He is the chief security officer of Ebonyi State. They're talking about Engineer Dav Umahi. And you can see the crowd of young men that actually came to answer that crowd you're seeing here. It doesn't look me like the one they photoshopped. Look at gallant young men who decided to answer the call. This is just Ebonyi State alone. Ebonyi State. Look at the excitement in the air. Guys are ready for the showdown. The security vehicles are ready, and this is just one of the states. I guess Engineer Dav Umahi, who happens to be the chairman of Southeastern Security, Southeastern Governors Forum, and also the governor of Ebonyi State. He's the chairman of Southeastern Forum and the governor of Ebonyi State. He's trying to tell the whole world, and he's also putting it by action to Ipob and the indigenous people of Biafra that they are not the chief security officer of Ebonyi. Okay, that if he is to launch EbubeAgu, then so be it right now. This is not to be either politically correct or politically wrong. I think all hands should be on deck. I also think we should start praying, because the last information or the last press release made on this same issue by Ipob, he said that they will resist the relaunch of EbubeAgu. And who are those in EbubeAgu? The Southeastern guys as well. It's not foreigners that are making EbubeAgu, still the same brothers. And the same people that each one of them have sworn to protect are also the people who make up EbubeAgu. Look at gallant soldiers, young men, viable, strong men, already in the creation of EbubeAgu. And now Eastern Security Network has already been created by Nnamdi Kanu. And according to Ipob, they are in the bushes. Now, with these two security aspects, according to Ipob, he said they're not going to work pari passu. No way. He said they will not. They have refused to work together based on what Ipob said. They weren't giving out information. According to Ipob, he said EbubeAgu is actually a political security outfit. Well, this does not look political to me. This look like human beings, and they are not hired crowd. They look like guys who probably already, and I guess said they must have gone through training. They have been launched. But, whether they have gone through training or not, my prayer now is, please, can there be peace? Can they work together and see how they can secure Southeast? People, anybody who loves Southeast should please start praying for Southeast. Because as it is right now, I'm sure these guys have been given a charge. They'll be given a charge. If you get any information, insecurity intel, if you get any information on anything that borders on insecurity, they know the right quarters to submit it to, or probably combat it. But the fear now, or the worry right now, is the fact that ESN is created by an Igbo man. ESN, that's Eastern Security Network, is created by an Igbo man. Then EbubeAgu Security Network is also created by an Igbo man. But they are their focuses, their focal points are different. While this one is looking at ensuring that the whole of the southeast and every land they have called theirs is secured, and ensure that Fulani herdsmen do not have any comfortability in that zone. While for that of EbubeAgu, they are really not interested in Fulani herdsmen per se. I don't think they have any laws against these Fulani herdsmen, except for probably Ebonyi states that have said they don't want open grazing. Imo State permits it. Abia, I think Abia has stopped it as well. Enugu also doesn't want it. So, but other than that, I think it's more like thing of security issues. Basically, nothing. Now, with these two people, one of them saying they don't want to even work together, and these are brothers in the same region. Both of them claiming regional outfit. We have a problem in our hands. If it is not settled amicably like brothers that they ought to be. I'm going to allow you to watch the video, okay, and the book is playing at the background. I'll allow you to watch the video and see the charge and super excitement in their voices as they chant the encouragement song to themselves. But it looks like they are ready. My God, where is this whole crowd coming from? It's quite a huge number, I must say. It quickly reminds me something similar, though not as big as the Eastern Security Network when it was launched 5th of December 2020. There was also another Mammon crowd that came about. This one, it's reasonable. For one state alone, it's very reasonable. If, of course, these guys, women are also involved. Look at young women everywhere, men and women ready to protect their motherland. My God, I pray for peace. These guys look like people who really want to protect their land. I pray that there be some sort of dialogue between the ESN of Ipob and the ESN, EbubeAgu Security Network of the governors, Southeastern governors. That there be some sort of agreement amongst them. Let's watch the video together and let's meet in our comment section once we take. This one is huge indeed. Do have a nice time, and once again, Merry Christmas.